What's going on, everybody? DJ Joe of Diamond Entertainment back again. Today's video I want to go over tips on song selection. This is actually what most DJs consider to be the most important part of the couple's process of preparing for the wedding. Let's get into it.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and
The first gripe is I don't listen to top 40, that those songs, they don't really get me all fired up. I'd like to hear them at my wedding, but I really want to hear this kind of music. And what I tell them, because of course their day is most important, is, what we'll probably want to do is put your music, the ones that aren't going to get the crowd all hyped up and get everybody dancing, or maybe a little slower tempo, play that kind of music during the cocktail hour or through the dinner, so you still have those pieces of you and those songs you enjoy in those parts, so you can still enjoy and have music in your wedding that means a lot to you. Problem number 2 is most of the time, all these couples have never picked this much music for any sort of event in their life. And this is where DJs can come in and kind of help the situation a little bit. What I tend to do for couples that really don't want to pick every single song at their wedding is have them pick as many songs as they want, anywhere from maybe 25 to 50, and then I can kind of base songs around the rest of that, or most DJs can get kind of a feel for what kind of music you enjoy, and then also usually most DJs can feel off the crowd and know this song's killing it, I need to play more songs like this, or this genre's doing well, time to play more of this genre, or the dance floor's dead, I need to play something else. And a little related to problem 2, but problem 3 is kind of just this overwhelmed feeling of I just don't have the resources, I don't have the knowledge. And another way to kind of alleviate that, and I find it to be the most easy, is I send all my couples over a document from a company called Mobile Beat. And what this company does, among other things, is ask DJs all over the US, what are the songs that you always play at your weddings? And what they've done is they've compiled a list of about 200 songs in which they rank them from 1 to 200 for that year of what are the most popular wedding songs. So when I send my couples this document, I literally tell them to circle the ones you want, X out the ones you don't want, and we'll go from there. I also have another document, and there's lots of great articles on the internet that I'll link below here, but I have another document which, instead of on top of rating the 200 top songs, they have them rated also, I think, top 50 by decade, by what dance, like father-daughter, mother-son, kind of what songs are usually in those parts of the reception. Thank you, everybody, for watching this video. Those are my tips and tricks into song selection for your wedding. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to reach out. My company is called Diamond Entertainment at Diamondentertainment.biz. As you can see behind me, I've gone to school for music. I'm a music therapist. I've got plenty of knowledge in the subject of music, love music. Music is my life. I would love to bring these skills to your wedding and really make your night one of the greatest experiences ever. If you reference today's video, I'll make sure to give you $200 off any package of your choosing. Thank you guys so much. Hope to be hearing from you soon.